Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 11. Which state is the host of International Lusophone Festival? Options: Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Assam. So before looking into the answer, let's see what is this International Lusophone Festival. Ministry of External Affairs is organizing the International Lusophone Festival in partnership with the Indian Council of Cultural Relations and the Goa government from 3rd to 6th of December. What is Lusophone? Lusophones are people that speak Portuguese as a native or as a common second language. As part of the festival, workshops on Lusophone music, exhibitions of Goan architecture, handicrafts, furniture, food, and spirits festival are being organized. So the answer for the question is option B, Goa. Goa is going to be the host of International Lusophone Festival. And here is another question for you. Which organization has changed the name of Monkeypox to Mpox? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down. And if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. That's it for this video, guys. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, Learn with Komali, and don't forget to check out the community post.